Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Homes. If you're planning to upgrade your TV streaming setup in 2026, two names you'll probably come across are Amazon Fire TV Stick and Roku. Both can turn a regular TV into a smart TV, both support popular streaming apps, and both are easy to use. But which one is actually better for you? So let's get started. 1. User Interface. Fire Stick offers a feature-rich interface with plenty of recommendations, while Roku keeps things simple and easy to navigate. For a clean and simple experience, Roku wins. 2. Streaming apps. Both support popular services like Netflix, YouTube, Prime Video, and Disney+. For most users, it's a tie. 3. Voice control. Fire Stick comes with *Alexa integration, making voice searches and smart home controls easy. Roku also supports voice commands on select models. For Alexa users, Fire Stick is the better choice. 4. Performance. Performance depends on the specific model. Newer devices with better processors and more memory offer faster and smoother performance. Always compare the hardware before buying. 5. Content recommendations. Fire Stick focuses heavily on personalized recommendations, especially for Amazon users. Roku keeps the experience more focused on quickly accessing your apps. For simplicity, Roku has the edge. Conclusion. And remember, don't just compare the brands. Before buying, compare the specific Fire TV Stick and Roku models, because performance and features can vary significantly between devices. So, which one would you choose in 2026, Fire Stick or Roku? And if you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more streaming device tips and troubleshooting videos.